I don't really know how this Christmas is going to be. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's beginning to feel a lot like Christmas. The Harmattan is already here in full force. I'm still here to put up our Christmas tree. I don't know, every time I remember that I have not put up the Christmas tree, I feel so tired. I don't know why, I've just been feeling lazy to put up that Christmas tree, but I'm hoping that today, tomorrow, possibly tomorrow, I would set it up. Because Sunday, I like to take Sunday as my day of rest. I like to rest on Sunday. I don't like doing any serious something on Sunday. And putting up that Christmas tree is a serious work, okay? So we just came back from church. The only thing I have to do today is to cook. I want to make rice and stew. That's just basically what I'll be doing today. We're already in the middle of the day. Tomorrow is sit at home, normal now. So, but I think tomorrow I'll put up the Christmas tree tomorrow. I hope. But yeah, I just wanted to start this vlog. It's been a while I vlog, you guys. I missed you guys so much. Let me know, how are you getting ready for the Christmas season? Like, it's not even feeling like we're about to celebrate Christmas. By now people must have started shopping for Christmas, doing all this Christmas clothes shopping for those that have kids and all that. But around here, it's not even as if we're about to celebrate Christmas. Okay, or I don't know, but for me, I don't feel like we're about to celebrate Christmas. Everything is just the same, the way it was last month. So I don't really know, but I know things are really hard for people this year. Like last year, everybody was complaining. We didn't know that this year was going to be worse than last year. So I don't really know how this Christmas is going to be, but let me know, what are your preparations for Christmas? Are you guys traveling to your village, or are you staying in your house to celebrate your Christmas? In fact, a lot of people I know are not traveling anywhere, because traveling is extra expenses, and then when you travel to the village, everybody's looking at you to bring up money, because you're coming from the city, you're supposed to have money to throw around. So that's basically why a lot of people are not traveling this year, because whether you like it or not, if you travel to the village, you must spend on something. Something must make money leave your pocket. So let me know, are you guys traveling to your village? What are your preparations for Christmas? Let me know in the comment section, okay? Now I'm just going to start cooking. Good morning, guys. I'm sorry if I sound like a man. I just woke up like 3 minutes ago. So I have a love and hate relationship with Harmattan. I love the fact that everywhere is chilled. The weather is very chilled and cold sometimes, but I hate the fact that everywhere is always dusty. We literally mopped this house yesterday. Tell me why everywhere is dusty today again. Like almost every day we literally need to clean the house, and it's really exhausting, So this morning my sister already mopped the floor, so I'm going to start with the seats. We have leather seats, so it's really easy to see the dust. We have black leather seats, so it's very easy to see the dust on the seats. So it's not even something you can just ignore. So she's already doing the mopping, so I'll clean the seats and what else, and see if I can. Yesterday I told you guys that I might put up the Christmas tree. By the way, let me show you guys. I don't think I ever showed you guys our wedding pictures. I think I uploaded one kind video on my channel when we did our wedding, but I wasn't really feeling the video, so I deleted it. So this is the first picture. Why is this not focusing? This is me. This is the personal picture, and then this is my husband's picture. This is my husband's picture. This is for the white wedding, and then this big one is for our trad. Yeah, this is for our trad. And then this is for our white wedding. I don't know if you guys can see it well, but like, let me just. This is the one. I hope it's focusing. So this one is for our white wedding. Our wedding album is still here. I don't know where we packed it, but like sometime later on I'm going to show you guys our wedding album. I never showed you guys our pictures, but the thing is I'm just struggling with which side of the house to hang these pictures. But that one is not even the main problem right now. Is that I need to start cleaning these seats, because I think we're having some visitors over today. They can't sit in dusty seats. Like, it's so dusty. You will not even believe that we cleaned this house yesterday. Like, we cleaned the whole house yesterday with the seats. Today again we are doing the same cleaning. Because of what? Because of Harmattan. The dust in this area is just too much. But yeah, that's what we'll be up to today.
Treat their love is like ice. Smoke them up and leave them, changing with the seasons. But you know that shit ain't my style. I just want the OG, it's always been it for me. Yeah, you saw me when nobody would, and he loved me good, through the bad and the ugly. He never got a knock on wood. Tell him, baby, don't worry. I don't need distractions, I don't need the fun. I just want the one that's been it since the day one. I don't buy the cheap pills, I just get the fun. That I got with the one that's been it since the day one. I don't need distractions, I don't need the fun. I just want the one that's been it since the day one. I don't need to play games, I already won. Cause I got the one that's been it since the day one. Day one, day one. Yeah, you always been the only one. From day one, day one. No, I'll never want another one. Some said we to be old news, cause we didn't work on paper. I said fuck the haters. Just the day I met him I knew. Felt the chemistry of spirit way beyond the physics. Yeah, you saw me when nobody would, and he loved me good, through the bad and the ugly. He never got a knock on wood. Tell him, baby, don't worry. I don't need distractions, I don't need the fun. I just want the one that's been it since the day one. I don't buy the cheap pills, I just get the fun. That I got with the one that's been it since the day one. I don't need distractions, I don't need the fun. I just want the one that's been it since the day one. I don't need to play games, I already won. Cause I got the one that's been it since the day one. Day one, day one. Yeah, you always been the only one. From day one, day one. No, I'll never want another one. What you know about a man who worked double time, helped a woman chase a dream, made my dream is a rising, buying medicine when I'm sick, crush my hair when I'm stressed, made me snatch my I got PMS. Yeah, baby, been the ground that I've been building on. I wouldn't be the woman I am without the years we barely made rent. Way he taught me patience, love me at my worst, now he gets my best. I don't need distractions, I don't need the fun. I just want the one that's been it since the day one. I don't need to play games, I already won. Cause I got the one that's been it since the day one. Day one, day one. Yeah, you always been the only one. From day one, day one. No, I'll never want another one. Love me at my worst, now he gets my best. Some might treat their love as like ice. Smoke them up and leave them, changing with the seasons. But you know that shit ain't my style. I just want the OG, it's always been it for me. Yeah, you saw me when nobody would, and he loved me good, through the bad and the ugly. He never got a knock on wood. Tell him, baby, don't worry. I don't need distractions, I don't need the fun. I just want the one that's been it since the day one. I don't buy the cheap pills, I just get the fun. That I got with the one that's been it since the day one. I don't need distractions, I don't need the fun. I just want the one that's been it since the day one. I don't need to play games, I already won. Cause I got the one that's been it since the day one. Day one, day Cause we didn't work on paper. I said fuck the haters. Cause the day I met him, I knew. Felt the chemistry of spirit way beyond the physics. Yeah, he saw me when nobody would, and he loved me good through the bad and the ugly. He never got on knock on wood. Tell him, baby, don't worry. I don't need distractions, I don't need the fun. I just want the one that's innocent since day one. I don't buy the cheap pills, I just get the bun. I go with the one that's innocent since day one. I don't need distractions, I don't need the fun. I just want the one that's innocent since day one. I don't need to play games, I already won. 'Cause I got the one